Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakunokodi, they talk to our Edo politicians. Where they hide under politics, they do bad things. He also talk about Adams Oshomole, how Adams Oshomole government take encourage Agberu. So make I leave you now with Stanley Osaze, make you for hear the message we bring come today. Enjoy the video.
Una good evening, my people. Na me, una brother, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakunokodi.
Many people use and make parable say, if we not be who this one a project where we open hand both night and day anytime. We dey make sure say we get involved. Imana book biaji. Imana na lela. So this time is supposed to be a time where people were ready to liberate Edo, not going to even think of sleeping at night. You cannot be sleeping in the night, enjoying yourself while your settlement is under fire. Please invite your friends. So to some of us, we are very passionate about these activities, and I've been on ground putting mechanisms in place, but I don't like that. I must respond officially. I know say many people don't sleep, but for those who watch on now, go share on, and those who not watch on now, go watch out when they break, so that make them know exactly what in the happen for our town. Now, the truth be say, I hate hypocrisy. I hate hypocritical people. What you not go do, you go to claim I'm saying that you go do. When then you go look for a way to criticize or to destroy the image of the person who did there because they had our office. Now this same set of people where they accuse Governor Godwin or Basek Lagos go carry people come. They get local people for here, you know the user. Now them as of today, under their campaign, Desmond Elliott don't come. Papa don't come. And other persons from Lagos, the question now be say, they not get musician for here. Is it bad if they invite people like Mama Noka Sedu? Don't we have local content here? This same set of hypocrites, this same hypocrite where they accuse of Baseki. If your house not good, you not go to blow whistle for farm, say, hello, I dey here, because you don't know who will hear you. Now when your house they okay, now you will fit stand say you want blow whistle. My people, we don't get close to the time. It's just next week. And by the power of God Almighty, we will not brag. We will not make noise. The result will reflect itself on the 20th. But one thing all true is that Edo people worldwide are now united in one resolve to set a pace of progress that must be emulated by states and the federal government. from 2007 to about 2016, we collectively destroyed Godfatherism in Edo. And the slogan came out under the same man who we never knew in the past was high-eyeing the position of being the Godfather. We thought that his fight was to destabilize this element and create a sustainable template for a. But at the end of the day, not be what we expect. The same man begin aspire. Father, when we destroy the previous one, we will come agree. May you be there. God, a Godfather cannot be in a do state. So as we speak, Edo don't they show other states where they wait to see this. If Edo succeed, they'll strike. Because now this, now the Godfather go see him before you say I ain't go approve him. Now they give us problem today in our society. But I thank God today, both the son of the rich, the son of the poor, and the son of a nobody access to anything as concerned public activity, unlike before, where you need a letter of recommendation in the society. The question is, how many of the Raktas, the Jeptans, the Talakawas, and the Holopoloi that can have access to bourgeois in our society? But today, the Obaseki administration has been able to establish an absolute egalitarianism. All these people now, they don't start different. You see the desperation. Now they don't begin sing. Hey, this one, that one. They bring different. Yes, so the network back. That's why this one they come, or this one do this one, just to destroy the image of others. But the truth of the matter be say, Edo people don't already state and clearly say they go fail. They don't already fail, whether they like it or not. 4 + 4 must to bar. The same people now where they accuse, say he went to Lagos to go and bring Aki and Popo, not be from Edo. Desmond Elliott not be from Edo. Then they bring different artists. They forget the one we get for our Ogbonge state. But this same set of people, they come and they accuse. And I'm very, 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 very glad today, because whether we like it or not, God has given us the opportunity to make the right decision. If to say some of us allow our stomach to take over us the way the stomach with all the push they go. That's why when I was on ITV today, I said it. I said, I'm better than this man. Even if I'm accusing him of fighting for stomach infrastructure, but I cannot say I'm better than him, because I as well fought for the same stomach infrastructure. But let's just look at the progress of Edo State for once. But when we take that decisions, God bless many, many Edos around the world. I not say few, many Edos. They say, you see that same stomach infrastructure, that same stomach infrastructure, for you to stand, say, man, the right thing must be done. We not collect, we not get dime from government. I don't tell you, but if I come and can tell you, say, Edos worldwide no show love, na lie. I talk. It is good to be good. Me will be imperfect human. Me will they mistake many times. Me will they fuck up at times. As a human, Me you be normal local. They unanimously adopt me, see, be our coordinator general, Edo Diaspora Connect worldwide. It is good to be good. And if you check inside Edo Diaspora Connect, you go shock. Professionals, artisans, great men and women of inestimable value. Comparing me with some of them, I'm not rich. Both in age, in academics, financial competence, in all areas, I'm not rich. Where they did not confirm. The same way they use that one, choose who one really head the activity. Maybe I'll carry last. But by the grace of God, these same people say, carry on. So I'm glad Edo people worldwide have spoken with one voice. If to say me, as they tell they hustle me that season, me can really wrong, say, Emuna give me. But this kind of time, no matter how the money go big, rich, it go don't go more than half. Ready to down. But when people go see people like us for road, they say, hey, they go sit down. You know me now. Hey, why me now? No. We don't feel spoil our name. Because of, see, get it clearly. Do not expect much from me. I am not perfect. As you see, Osahonokodi, so it's still in my own body. But one thing about me be say, what you not fit talk for back, for front, not talk for back. I not get any prosy account. If I want to talk to anybody on Facebook, I'll talk to you. And the talk when I'll talk to you, I don't talk to you because of say I hate you. No, I'll tell you. So that is why even as close as myself and Ize-Iyamu come, I must tell her the truth. You cannot tell me in 2016 say Oshomole na criminal. Say Oshomole received about 1.4 trillion, which is the highest amount of money ever received by any government. Right from Midwest State, Bende State, down to Edo State. You accuse them of all sorts of things. That one in turn come and say you lie effortlessly. Say you be Mimi AK-47 at night. Bible in the day. After all this zigikuru, when I come back because I don't settle on the basis of the fact that after a settlement, Edo people will be the terms and conditions. They don't sign secret documents. When I come back on the enforce, and let me bring some information to some of our people who don't know what thing really happened one time. In 2007, before Oshomole run for governorship, Ize-Iyamu already get the plan to run for governor. The fight where Ize-Iyamu fight Chief Tony and Nene under no man is God. Not because he want fight Godfather, he was aspiring to be the next governor with the hope that if Lucky Benedict at the end of the day, when they try their possible best, it not gonna work. Already PDP now don't tear. This men now going to look for candidates who be say go dey sellable, may they take grow ACN. Now that time they go bring Oshomole. Oshomole started from Labour Party before he come join ACN. When he come ACN, there was an agreement. Say when Oshomole rule finish, he go. How many of them did have this thing? Responsible billionaire, the irresponsible billionaire, Get it clear. One, the responsible billionaire. The irresponsible billionaire wey no fit give people water join that 2 billionaire. Shomole, Ize-Iyamu, they agree say when Oshomole now, since the user get the election, when he round up, he go hand back to Ize-Iyamu. When he come reach the time when he be say Ize-Iyamu don notice say Oshomole no wan work in line with that term of agreement, because Oshomole no wan make people rule am, but he dey like rule people. Na Ize-Iyamu take leave ACN as at then wey be South chairman to PDP. Na that time all of us to start PDP, because then I was a human right. I don already start my civil society activities. Now that issue wey dem not handle for governorship, na inside room therefore they sign who they get governor. Me and you, they believe say we not get say. Go and verify this information wey I tell you so. Oshomole cannot deny it. Ask him. Can't deny it. Now all of them. Now cause that first fight when you see say the two of them come begin open mouth, they talk wetin they do in secret, because they not be correct men. They lack talking code. Now they begin the yarn or patter. As the yarn patter, they don't know say for House of Assembly elections information come. No. So that's how the story be. Now the money misroad and all they plan together. That you not dey, me not dey. And they say your money on in the other in the your party. When they don't already see and say they don't lost the election during the House of Assembly matter. Money misroad come here say people they laugh say nothing no man mumu person wey get money, you don't know how to spend the money. He come withdraw him money, no come support the State House of Assembly election. That time na center of main road. Now Oshomole dey insult am. Insult everybody. After the airport road failed project, now they took get yawa. But today they don't go back to that former agreement. Oshomole don't agree saying one honor because Obaseki not dance to the gallery. Oshomole was looking for a third term through Obaseki as a stooge. Ife or my winner ticket got caught. Ticket got caught. Now time don't they reach for the election. It don't near finish. With the ITV today, now somebody say, comrade, during this election, the governor did that, the governor did this. Not last come. This governor, they say the governor did. What una want make this governor do? We never do. Say it. Now accuse them directly. I say you and I we fought. I thought was stomach matter. Now you tell us what this government, what you want make this government do? We never do. They will tell you say the only reason why they defend we say the government only carry their law. As they say what they carry along. Now in case you don't know, let me tell you they can't carry along. They will not care if they pay pensioners. Whether security architecture get problem, they don't care. They will gather all this money. Then inside there you come back supply. For example, Penina Osakunokudi go to receive 500,000 naira every month. I know they go work. Now that one be their own. Now that one be the carry along with the defense. Nothing else. So I want to tell you one simple truth. As you see all this maybe this they don't already get agreement. Now Oshomole they return back to their agreement. But the truth is, you know, if you feel decide a do matter, so a few years ago, we are too few to decide this matter now. Not be loud. Not too few. No matter how money long reach, not few, man. Not few. Now see finish now. If not be see finish, where real people dey wey don travel go join, wey don move, the men wey dey do things, dem not dey, you know. If real men dey around for this town, say they really dey, who be Osakunoko? Don't want know me where men dey, where people dey. Now that one I cause this because they use their fake old policies. It was the former secretary of state government. All the plan they organize, where's base enter John. They will follow Libya. They will move for Mediterranean Sea, move. They change all of the entire route. That time Ghana must go sheriff formula. Let's say the truth. Come on, tractor, they bring and come tractor, share out to farms. We everybody sure go see her for his Yamu farm. They tractor. Make convert. They don't ever convert our resources through Ghana must go share. That's why Ghana must go. As in they convert everything. They don't let finish the ogri or the money. They convert everything, including tractor. Pursue people enter Europe. Thank God now. What did they say they wanted wicked them? Come give them favor. What you wanted wicked the youth? Come make the youth get favor. As of today, Nigerians around the world, they do lights around the world. If they see and say what you they do for those states not correct, you know if you enter abroad. You know if you enter Europe now. You know if you enter America, you know if you enter anywhere. Because if they hear say they come to wait for you. So this time you must do well. It is a must that you must feast. Things must be done rightly. We are glad today that His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki is performing very well. They challenge us a show project. When we begin a show project, they begin saying gratitude. Let me just tell you, only say the truth is, our work now is to bring those states to the public domain, so that you will know where all this development pass. The road the Obaseki tie across Edo State more than 2,000. Adjoining street, no noise. Go up at Mission Junction. Then you go see what TC4s they do. We see what Obaseki they do in terms of different construction. What else do they want? Nothing. They just see that they hate badly. They want to ruin that resources. He go near or man. They hate. They hate. Now what here they keep on the emphasize? A businessman invest in business to gain. Where all these people want to gain this their money back, where they already spend like rivers. So one man they talk out with him mouth say they brought the president did not enter my farm. The president every of your statement no hour. It was all about their personal interest. Because of personal interest, you are not ready to spend your last kobo to ensure that the government does not return back. Good. As you see your last kobo, we eat it. How are you? I really see they will see come. They do us now. They do us presidential election for those states. Say no worry. We give Edo say because say Obaseki dey perform. You see that federal now Atiku. As we fair reach, we also the same form inducing. But even if you induce the bros, you know they follow the go inside. If they come collect what you give them. They say, but that one for you, where an lie. No matter I be presidential election, everybody learn you think will do. Everybody. PDP now declare do. Now even Obaseki as a governor for many years, PDP hardly criticized Obaseki. Then, before he joined, they never criticized because they knew that the man was performing exceptionally well. Oshomole and the rest are only being jealous Believe me, they are envious of this man. They are envious of this man. This man get his own strategy. Imagine where governors they cry. Say, no more, no way to pay salary. No way to pay salary. Across the states of the federation. 1 minute. Sorry, where governors across the federation no fit pay salary, dey cry. Obaseki pay salary, he pay pensioners, he dey do project, he no hold anybody one naira. Anywhere Buhari wan travel go, if you never see Obaseki, no dey move. If you never see Obaseki, he know they move. Because they know him as brain. When NUT, Nigerian Union of Teachers, acknowledge and recognize her as the best governor in Nigeria, no governors from PDP and APC oppose her. The governor of Lagos State, where Tinubu dey, Sanwo-Olu, sorry, my district gets more fault. My arranger. Yes, please, very sorry. You know, now self-made electricity. That's what it be for now. Even the governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, say, I need this Obaseki model. I need this Obaseki's education model. He openly talk and say, Obaseki sabi pass me and one lane. Although still they follow Oshomole belle because Oshomole succeeded in tying road without fixing the economy, despite the oil boom. We know how much we collect for 30% oil derivation. A super debt commissioners, all of the builders, the buy different kind of Oshomole. All the lives of our two. Now money they don't see for a super deck, so that means they wrong go decide where the office money. But they say, can live with your salary? Let's develop Edo State. Now that be the pain, but they don't know say no pain, no gain. Edo must move forward. We cannot go backward. Yaya Bello, we see the whole salaries to date. Oshomole they jump for podium. They campaign for a vote Yaya Bello. If Oshomole can call for the election of Yaya Bello, what it go make them not re-elect a working governor? If to say shame the cast Oshomole, he go say, if to say shame the cast him as a president, he go say this man not to perform and leave her. Because if you say you want to destroy who God has blessed, you will be ridiculed. You become an object of ridicule. Obaseki is the project. The earlier you think of living with it, the better for you, because you can't change it. He said till now Nigeria never see strong financially. Federal government they increase tariff, When during the COVID-19, everybody say, hey, shut down, lockdown, lockdown. Even if they are Muslim, they lock people down. Because of election, go to tie a rice for black cellophane. They go to give them. Tell them me share the rice now. Eriga. The other one carry medical materials. They move from one place. I want to give you health treatment. I want to give you health treatment. All because of election. As they say, where the day after is a why they not start to do good? They had. Then now they come back and do political good. But let's say Cellophane will go against the COVID-19. But during this COVID-19, he said, I must say lock down the whole state. Although they say lock down, when the governor look, and I am the governor, he said, if I lock this state down, 19 will strong past the COVID-19. Now it come out with restrictions and rules. Do you know that the federal government copied Obaseki model for the COVID-19? Edo was open. Edo was functioning slightly, but people were given the opportunity to access palliatives. Edo is a civil service state that is gradually transcending into an industrial state. A power sector first in the history of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to be generated by a state government. What else do they want this man to do? What else do they want him to do? Let me just tell you the truth. They are hungry for power. But the truth is, no matter their billions, they will never succeed. But I will not fail to recognize Edos in the diaspora, Edos worldwide. Some of them may not even understand what they have done, but you guys have really done great. I am within. I know what I'm talking about. May God continue to bless you all for your efforts. We see the way you mobilize your family, ensuring that things are done rightly. Yesterday here, 9 our people for Sydney, Australia, en masse the fallout through away support for the re-election bid of Obaseki and Shaibu. The likes of the semi-heroes and great men, they mobilize Americans, Edo Americans. When in turn they call their family at home, say, wake up, join. If air open, will they come? And thank God that day when they come, word 4, word 1, 2, 3, and 4. I was shocked to see more than 8 Edos in the diaspora on ground. Now see an agile with me. As I see this, I go, hey, bros, what don't know, hey. Now I say confirm. Many flash their PVC. This time, we not go agree. Make the return Edo back to Egypt. Who will decide? We will be the ones to decide, not them. Ifiga emuwa edokpa o, otwila lobo. Ifiga emuwa edokpa, otwila lobo. Ifiga emuwa edokpa o, otwila lobo. Ifiga emuwa edokpa, otwila lobo. Edo must be great again. Obaseki is making Edo great again. Now only selected gullibles now go fall for their gimmicks. Edo people are wise. Edo people are wise. Adam Oshomole and the rest of them don't know the meaning of development. As they say what the development is, development is the process of tying road. Fine, it is part of it. But this development or the tying of road, as the case may be, is part of physical development. I am a professional in terms of physical development. I read land as a profession, urban and regional planning. I read land laws, land application, the use to which land is being put, all in all, with my capacity You getting it? I study land, but I think today, with what this government is doing, Abba, I don't know what they want to make this man do. We never do. In the past, for this our state, in the past, men they'll come and they'll say, hey, they'll go inside government house. I don't know, they'll shoot, go pay for police to hold them. You see police with the point, and now this man be this one, and this one be this one. Then they carry peace to entire office of commissioner of police, go settle. Those things not they happen again. Now they want to kill off. They'll carry money, give this one, carry money, give this one. They'll say, go fight. When they say, government say, stop it, stop it, stop it. Whereas the boys were the streets, no say, oh God, don't go collect money. No, they fight themselves. Obaseki not patronize them. Now me the yawa so. Ifiga emu wa dokpa o. Otwila lobo ifiga emu wa dokpa. Otwila lobo ifiga emu wa dokpa o. Otwila lobo ifiga emu wa dokpa. Otwila lobo. Let me tell you all. This election, gentlemen, no dey. This election, gentlemen, no dey. We no go fit allow them to rig these elections. So for all those one way they tell you, or people wey dey far, wey dey fear say, "Oh, man, no go relax your man." We will bring the election to your doorstep. I felt on that word yesterday. Maybe we don't understand well. The election will be at your doorstep. Anywhere you dey, you will see. Una to assist us, the share, but the elections will be at your doorstep. Not to worry. We will never allow, by the power of God Almighty, economic predators to come back. Now, as I was saying, Adam Oshobole not understand development. What's the kind of road? Beyond that, physical development is separate. When you have road networks, monumental industries or designs, as the case may be, high-rise physical structures, all in all put together, that's physical development. Beyond physical development, we talk about economic development. But get it clearly, when you not train your people, you not imbibe the maintenance culture on your people, without proper sensitization, no matter the infrastructure where you build, the people will come to destroy it. Let's take an example. There is no, you know enlighten people in respect to the kind of vehicle we're going to apply a specific road. Like we get the arterial road, we get the collector road, we get the local access, and we have what we call the cul-de-sac. In Nigeria, you call them trunk A, trunk B, trunk C road. In these roads, you not tell the people, say, this kind of one through the roadside side, say, now this came out to the power, they come to carry every truck. Maybe the truck comes spoil for road. As they say, maybe the jack and they put jack for ground, usually they draw the quota. They will destroy those infrastructure. So you must give them training, sensitize them, so that when you bring in facilities, the people will maintain it. So as of today, Obaseki is imbibing the culture on the people, on why we must sustain public infrastructure. Now, let's give a classical example in terms of fiscal development. One of the problems where they affect us for this country now, lack of consistency in policy implementation by successive administration or regime. This regime will go want to new one, the former one go say no, that this one you want to. But when Obaseki come, all the legacy projects that pardoned by Oshomole, built by late Dr. Samuel Ogbomudia, he renovated and refurbished the one that requires reconstruction and redevelopment. He do it. He bring them all. As of today, we no longer have waste building structure or public infrastructure as far as civil service and the effort of Ogbomodia is concerned. But Oshomole don't like that one. They need to see more road. They will see hungry one person. Oshomole did not employ a single person throughout this government. Nobody get promotion under Oshomole. Teachers no see promotion under Oshomole at all. One of the things wey Adam Oshomole do, no employment. Teacher sef no employ. I shock wey come out for podium go dey talk say there is no say teacher in one school, in the school some of them is 2.5. And I ask Oshomole, you left office some 3 years ago. Does it mean say the teachers wey you employ don retire? Wait till today we get one teacher per school according to you. That is to say the number of teachers wey you employed retired in 3 years. Now that is employment. The only employment we create na Edo Yes Youth Empowerment Scheme, 10,000 jobs. As they come out, he removed the form, he pursue all of them. The same man will tell us from the beginning. More than not forget to Oshomole say, as they call his slogan now, bye bye to poverty. We not forget, bye bye to poverty. A man will say he want pursue poverty, no give one person job, but they share money, they bust and they go for everywhere. We enter market, that's people 100 million for no just cause. No single employment. Pensioner go wear ododo, red in the afternoon, on Wednesday, black on Friday. Sometimes when it be, they'll carry coffee. They use now the pit. Pensioner were suffering, but as of today, I used to see such. Now, he remove under Oshomole, he remove yearly entry point of teachers increment. He remove her. In fact, he hate education. Now teachers, including non-payment of leave transport grant for 2 years, no promotion for his 8 years tenure. Teacher won black for him because of competency test. Obaseki came to restore all for primary school teachers. That is the truth. No promotion for anybody. He'll come in your area, I can't jump inside gutter. You go by jump, we go come and we say, I'm constructing. You say, if they work, what of employment? I can't do more. About Saturday. People when they work for ECTS are not pensionable jobs. People are proud to be ESPA. People are proud to work in the CFO office. People are now proud to engage themselves in an indirect jobs. People are proud to gain employment into public ministries and parastatals. But under Oshomole, how many of such? None. He not send education. Red roof. He built red roof. People say he don't build school. Oshomole used 500 million to build the college. The money that is enough to build over 30 schools. They wanted 13 to come as a prosy. Obaseki man could not be the world. So we could not know what they go on. To me, as Osakwuno, I don't conclude. Now 24 hours. We not go sleep till after the election. You go observe now. People they call me anytime, I go still pick. This time, when we say no violence, no gra-gra, but we will defeat them by the power of God convincingly that they cannot read. We will defeat them convincingly by the power of God. Voice populi, voice Dei. The voice of the people is the voice of God. Imahia Bina, home, you boy Kega. I am proud to be an Edoma. I am proud about it. We are setting a pace for the entire nation to emulate. Forward ever, backward never. Obaseki will be re-elected, and when he's re-elected, will be more concerned about his administration and his performance standard. So from us, those of us Edo Diaspora Connect worldwide, by the power of God, who sees the future, the I am that I am. If Obaseki emerge, when you hear the story, having satisfied the provision of the law, session this or session this, I hereby announce Governor Godwin Enonga having been able to score 600,000 votes as against 30,000 votes from Ize-Iyamu. Having satisfied the provision of the law, I hereby declare Governor Godwin Enonga Obaseki return elected as the governor of Edo State. Know that for those of us who are Diaspora Connect worldwide, we begin to complement government efforts in areas of creating and providing local infrastructure, community-based infrastructure within our capacity, and by the power of God.
Now wey you don hear from Sterling Osaze Osakwunokwudin, let us know what you think concerning everything wey you don talk now for this video. And before you go, make you also help us share this video to friends and family. If you never subscribe to Dan Eyaji YouTube, this is not the time for you to subscribe, so that make you know they miss the latest information concerning this Edo election wey won't happen September 19. So make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan Eyaji YouTube.